So today I'm going to sort and to declutter my nail polishes. I have many, I don't have a lot like the beauty gurus, sometimes they have a lot. As you could see, I put something on my nails. It's a Nail Envy. It's a nail strengthener. I really like this thing. I didn't know this product until Jenny Bailey talked about it on a video. Usually she doesn't make videos about nail polish or makeup, but she told us that she was using that. So I tried because my nails break a lot, and it works. It really makes my nails a little stronger. So that is a good trick. It's by OPI, Nail Envy, original, the nail strengthener. I'm not paid by these people to talk about it. One thing that I always do also is to put some hand cream because my hands are very dry. I use this one, Angel by Thierry Mugler. This one is rather expensive, but this one I brought it back from France with me. That is very cheap. It's Leader Price. I don't know if Leader Price still exists, but you can find that in their store if they still have some. I found that at Trader Joe's. Nourish Shea Butter hand cream. It's a good one. Otherwise, I also use things like that by the Body Shop. It's a body butter, but I use it also on my hands like this or this. I love this one. As you can see, I almost finished it. I really love the coconut one. It's a really good one. And also this by Lush Dream Cream Hand and Body Lotion. That's a really good one too, and it looks like that, and it smells like I don't know, something green. It's made with oats, but there is something green in it. Okay, so I just wanted to tell you this because nail polish without taking care of your hands doesn't make sense. Something also that you need, it's these things. This one comes from a hotel where I was a very long time ago, but otherwise you can find that for very cheap everywhere. The flowery one, I don't remember where I bought it, but you can find that anywhere. Also, I use this to clean around my nails. Sometimes I put some nail polish remover and I clean like that. You can find that at Sephora for sure, but probably somewhere else also. So these are things which are very useful. This, I bought that a very long time ago. It's more for the feet. It's funny. I use it sometimes to separate my toes, and it works. I find that really cute. I don't remember where I bought that, CVS or something like that. Maybe Target. Yeah, maybe I bought that at Target. I'm not sure. Anyway, that is useful too. I also have things like that. It's tattoo to put on the nails, as you can see, or this. I don't use them very often, but I love these things. It reminds me my childhood when I was a child. We were using a lot of things like that, and it makes me happy just to see it, so I'm keeping that. Otherwise, I also have this rinse. It's to rinse the fingers if your hands are dirty. I always have something like that in my purse to clean my hands. And this, no, that is for the glasses. Otherwise, I'm going to show you what I have in nail polish and more. This, I don't know if you managed to see, yes, partly. And this, okay, I will push a little like that. I don't have a lot here, as you can see. Okay, I will start with the one that I use the most. Okay, I will start with this one. So I'm going to pull everything out. It's the most simple. So this is some Sèche Vite. It's a top coat. So this one I want to finish it. I must hurry because it starts drying a little. I absolutely love this thing. Sèche Vite by who? By Sèche Vite. Yes, I think the brand is Sèche Vite. It really dries your nail polish really fast. So that is a must. So this is a pouch by Zoella that I bought from her through internet, of course. It's for makeup, but I use it for my nail polishes, and I really Love it. I don't know if it still exists, but it doesn't come with the pom-pom. The pom-pom comes from something else. But I really like this thing. It's really very convenient. And I like Zoella. Okay, my nail polish that I love the most ever is this one. I bought it from Sephora. The brand is Sephora. The name is Phantom Universe. It was a limited edition. It's really dirty. And I used it a lot and I plan to still use it. I love it. I'm going to show you how it looks. It's a green, an emerald green, but the quality is absolutely amazing. Really amazing. I put everywhere. There is no nail polish remover here, but never mind, it works. I'm not doing the whole nail because I'm going to try several ones. So that is just one coat and you put 2 coats and it's wonderful. It's beautiful because it's a green, which is emerald green, but it almost has bluish hues in it. Well, I'm not going to advertise for that because I don't think you still can find it, but I love this thing. Okay, this one I'm sure to keep it. I wear it on my toes all the time. Wet n Wild, I don't know the color. Well, it's a blue, dark blue, navy blue, slightly pearly, a little pearly but not so pearly. I love it. This one, Clarins. So it's not a brand new one, I have it since a very long time. It's number 221. Red, a true red. I was wearing it on a video if I remember well. Love it, using it. Beautiful. Look at that. Just one coat. It's Clarins, you know. The quality is there. This one, it's a almost white one. My son bought it for me. Just for that I'm going to keep it. You have really to put several coats to make it work. He bought that at, I think, Urban Outfitter. Yes, White Toast, Urban Outfitter. Still a little liquid, but I like it especially when you want to put some sparkle on it, or if you want to start on a white base. Really, I love this one. The black one by Milani, number 23, Black Swift. So I don't wear it often alone. I like it because it looks like a vampire. It's not my style, but I really like to wear it with that on the top. I will wait for it to dry and I will show you that on the top. It's really nice, especially for Christmas. I was wearing that a lot, so that it's a keep for sure. This one I'm sure I'm going to keep it. It's Wet n Wild Megalast Wet Cement 201C. It's a brown, but not very dark brown. It's between nude and brown, in between. I love this thing. I'm keeping that. It was so cheap and I love it absolutely. In the same kind, there is this one that I wear a little less, but I still love it. It's L'Oreal 111 Tea and Crumpets. It's the perfect nude color. Loving it. You see? That is just one coat. I have to put 2 coats to make it work. I like both. I'm sure to keep that. I had that last week on my nails. I think on the video you can see it. It's like a slightly purpley, slightly lilac blue. So it's between lilac and blue. Loving it. It's Essie Lapis of Luxury. Loving it. I don't know if this color still exists, but I absolutely love that. And it's not like if I'm buying some nail polish every 2 days, you know. No, I rarely buy nail polishes. I think the last one I bought, I don't know if it was those ones or this one, I don't remember, but well, it doesn't happen really often. Okay, so this one, I love it. It's Revlon. The color is Chic 480. It's between gray and blue, but I don't know why when I put 2 coats it almost looks like the green one, and I have no idea why. Maybe it's an illusion, especially when I do it here. It doesn't look the same at all. So maybe it's in my bedroom that it gives this impression. Maybe. I don't have another one like that. Yeah, actually when the light goes in, it's a little less blue and more green. However, it's really very different from the green one, obviously. So okay, I'm going to keep it and I will try to wear it. I bought that at Target. I don't know if it still exists. Let's go in the greens. I have two greens here which are quite different. This one is more like a Shetland green. It makes me think of a Shetland green. The name is Tudor City Teal 152 by NYC. It's a kind of a muted green, a little dusty. I like it. Very English style. I don't know why it makes me think of England. Maybe because of the Shetland color. This one is more for the spring. It's much more pale, pastel, but still more crude color. You see, it's very close to white, but it's very springy. So it's not really the same use. They are quite different, even though if the color is in the same category, they are quite different. So this one, I bought it at Walgreens, I think. Maybelline Color Show Avante Green 700. Let's see. I bought it in the same time as my lipstick, my brown lipstick. And I found the color so beautiful, but once on my nail, it's less great. I must put a second coat on this one because I don't see much. So this one, I told you that I will show you it on my black. You will see. You see, it's very festive. Oh, I paid that, I don't know, even not $1. It's Wet n Wild, Fast Dry, New Nouveau, 238C Party of 5 Glitter. It's very Christmassy, so on the black it's beautiful. So that's a keep for sure. This one, well, actually I didn't wear it much. And I don't know if I'm going to keep that because I didn't wear it enough. Oh, I like it, I like it. I must wear it more often. Okay, I must make an effort to wear this. So it's show me the money. Show me the money. Okay, I'm going to keep that. S041. And the brand is Spoiled. Wet n Wild. It's Wet n Wild. The collection is Spoiled. I must wear it more often because look at how beautiful. It's terrible. When I see some glitter, it's driving me crazy. So this one is very silver. It's like a foil, you know. I don't wear it often, but when I wear it just on one finger or above another color. It's really, really nice. Really nice. Where I will put that. You see? It's really like, I don't know, an aluminium foil with there is some glitter in it, but very thin, and it looks pearly. It's beautiful. So this is Wet n Wild Fair G, and the number, the name is Going Platinum A002. A002. Loving that. Okay, let's try a second coat of that. I don't know what you think about it. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, I must think about it because I'm like a blank, a total blank right now. Okay, those three ones, I bought them together because there was a promotion and it was like, I don't know, 99 cents each and one free if you buy three or something like that. So this one, obviously I wore it. As you can see, I really wore it. Of course there is some sparkle in it, so of course I wore it. And you can also put it above something or alone. It's a little transparent with some glitter, you see. When I don't want to put a nail polish, I just put that, and it's perfect because it gives a little color without being so obvious, and I absolutely love this one. So this one I didn't wear it enough according to me. I like it for the summer. Maybe I will wear it on my toes. That is really nice on the toes. Yeah, I'm going to keep it. So this one is also Wet n Wild Spoiled, and the number, the name is, well, it doesn't say. It doesn't say. I don't know what it is. It's really a hot pink, but really hot, and it's slightly transparent but not completely. And this one, yes, this one is I got a confection to make, if I didn't say it, S009. So yes, here as you can see, the label was removed. And this one, it's a Wet n Wild too. I didn't wear it enough, and it's a pity because it's a really nice one too. So it's more orange, more peach orange, I would say. I will show you beside the pink so you will see the difference. It's a nice color too, something to wear in summer, but it's really nice. I don't have another color like that, so I'm going to keep that. Okay, I have this Milani. Oh, it's an old one. I have it since a long time. Hottest Pink. So let's see the difference. It's completely different. It's more a bluish pink. It's slightly pearly, and there are some bluish hues in it. When you move, the color changes. So it's a Milani. I like that. Same thing, I must think of wearing that. I always go to the same ones. It's a pity. So this one is a Sally Hansen Maximum Growth Nourishing Nail Color Ruby Clarity. Oh yes, it's a dark red. It's really quite different from all what I have here. Same thing, I must wear it. If I see that I'm not wearing it, at a point I will get rid of it. But the brown one, I bought that in Paris just before coming here for real, for good. Anaphyli, the brand, and the color is 24. It's a brown, it's a pearly brown. So that is one that I use on my toes very often in winter. What's the point to put some nail polish on the toes in winter? But just for me, I like it. I don't like to have my toes without nail polish. Oh yes. That is really a true dark brown, and I love it. I was wearing it all the time during a while, but I still have some remaining. It's astonishing because I wore it a lot. I wore it really a lot. I really like that. Okay, so here that is a very old one, which has like a terracotta brick color. The color is a little strange. The other day I had that on my nails, and my son told me that it was weird. I'm not going to repeat what he said because it wouldn't be correct on the camera. But you know, in spite of what he said, I really like it. It's Yves Saint Laurent. And it's old. I have it since a very long time. I've been wearing it a lot. I still wore it like a few weeks ago, and I think that I will continue to wear it because I like it, and I will try not to think of what my son said. Okay. So that is quite different. It's almost like the Nail Envy. It's made by Nivea. It's so strong and pastel, the name. I don't think it still exists, but it's really to make your nails stronger. So once I will finish my Nail Envy, I will continue with that because that is really a good one. As you can see, half of it is gone. It's because I wore it and I'm still wearing it, so I'm keeping that. Okay, so those were the ones that I wear the most. Now I have these two boxes. So I see one here by Urban Outfitters, which is quite similar to this one. So obviously I have a tendency to buy always the same things. So let's see if I see a difference between the two. Okay, I have hairs, I have nail polish. Oh, okay. I think the question is fixed and already answered. It's completely... Look at that. Okay. I can't even give it away. It's really... no, it's impossible to get back something like that, so it has to go to the trash. This one is by Montel, sorry, nail lacquer. It's an old one. It's a very French good brand. The number is 62. And let's see if it's not dry. Oops. I'm really very bad with my left hand. You know, there is one way to make your nail polish a little more runny. Don't put some nail polish remover, because at first it works, but then it makes the nail polish dry a little faster. So what I do is that I put some alcohol. Here we have some rubbish alcohol, 50%, but in France I use some 90% alcohol, and it works perfectly, but just a little, you know, really just a little. And it makes the thing a little more runny without drying it and without damaging it. So let's see. Yes, it's better. Okay, it's nice, but I don't think that I'm going to wear something like that, so I will probably give it away. And here I have a very old one. I love the packaging, I love the bottle. I think that it's completely dry. Look how the bottle is beautiful. Yeah, it's completely dry. It has to go to the trash. I regret, because I love the bottle, I love the cap, and look at that, how beautiful it is. But it has to go to the trash. And this is Clinique Fire Poppy. How is it? I must manage to open it at least. I managed to open it. Well, I thought so. Okay, so no, I didn't manage to open it. Okay, so I managed to open it, and as you can see, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look good. You know, I think it's too old. There is not a lot remaining in it. It's kind of clumpy. No, I think that I really have to throw it away, because that's not good. Okay, and here I have a Chanel one. Oh, I have that since the 80s. Okay, I have a few difficulties to open my bottles. This one is a Chanel, which is from the 80s. And it's a hot pink, but more raspberry than hot pink actually. Ooh, what happened? I must just use it. I must use it because I really like it a lot. So here, that is something more recent. It is Orly nail lacquer. It's really neon yellow. And really, I don't know what I was thinking when I bought that, because it is so not my style. I don't wear yellow. And if I was wearing yellow, I would wear something quite different. It's so neon that it's almost green, you know. So I think that I'm going to give that away or sell it, because it's almost brand new. I think I wore it once and that's it. And it's still good. So this, I bought that at Gap, if I remember well. I don't remember if I bought it at Gap, at Urban Outfitters. I think it was Gap. Space System. It's kind of a copper, but with glitter in it. Let's see if it still works. It does work, and it's beautiful. Oh, I must wear that. I love that. Okay, I must wear it, absolutely. Okay, those two ones, they are top coats Top Gloss by Agnès B and Sally Hansen. It's not the one that I love the most, but when I'm done with the Sèche Vite, I will use this one and this one, and I will buy Sèche Vite only once that is over. So that's definitely a keep. It's like a backups. By the way, I used to have that. It's Too Clean by Agnès B. It's Too Clean, but as you can see it's completely dry, so it must be thrown away. But I recommend that if you find a Agnès B shop, maybe she still has that. It's correcteur de vernis. It's to correct around the nails. It's really great. So this, I bought that in Paris before coming here. It's a Maybelline Mini Colorama Marshmallow. It's simply a pearly white. That is, for me, a pearly white or even a white, it's always a varnish that we need, you know. I will keep that. I bought it because I needed it and I still need it. I like wearing pearly white when I don't know what to wear. I just use that. Oh no, the Gap, it's this one. It's this one that I bought at Gap. So where did I buy this one? Maybe it's Urban Outfitters because it looks like their tag. Yes, maybe that is Urban Outfitter, and this is Gap Europe Epoch. The name Wincage Epoch. I don't know. So what is that? Where I'm going to put that? Let's put it here. It's kind of a beige but pearly. It's really it's almost the same as this one, except that is really white. And this is kind of yellowish gold. I don't think that I'm going to wear this, so I think that I'm going to give it away or sell it. I don't know. I don't know if we can sell nail polish. I will see. Otherwise I'm going to give it away. At least someone will use it, you know. Okay, so this is Wet n Wild nail polish 446C. It's kind of a turquoise. It is nice. Turquoise is my favorite color ever, but I don't know if I'm going to wear that. I didn't wear it much and I'm not sure I'm going to do so. I will give it away as well. This one is a Sally Hansen Nail Prism. The color is Lavender Pearl. It's almost brand new. It's kind of a pale blue, a little transparent, a little grayish, a little pale blue, a little, I don't know, everything in the same time. I don't think that I'm going to wear that, so same thing. This, oh okay, so these three ones, I bought them in Cannes. Like, I think that it was 20 years ago. Yeah, 20 years ago in Cannes. It's the pinkies. So there is three colors. There is lilac, blue, and that was silver. Let's see in what shape they are. They are still good. So that is the lilac one. That is the silver one. And that is the bluish one, probably the one that I wore the most. Okay, my fingers look like nothing now. You know, I'm going to add a little alcohol in them and I'm going to give them away because I barely wore them this last year and I don't think that I'm going to wear them, and it reminds me maybe something that I don't want to remember. Not bad memories, but it reminds me something that I try to forget, so I don't think it's a great... Let's say that it doesn't scream joy when I look at that. It's a pity because I used to love them and to wear them like crazy, but they have made their time and it's time for them to be used by someone else. You see how nice they are? Okay, so I'm going to show you in a basket what I'm getting rid of. Okay, so here is all what I'm going to get rid of. Most of them I'm going to give them, but I think that oops, this one, and I think yes, they are to throw away, but the rest I can give them away. This one I'm going to give it a try, but if I see that I'm not wearing it, I will give it away as well. I must do a conscious effort to wear it, and if I don't, it means that I just like the bottle how it looks, but I don't want to really wear it. So I will give it a try. Okay, so that is to throw away as well, and I think that's it. Okay, I think that I'm going to remove all this mess on my nails. It's nice, no, isn't it? I think I'm going to stop now, and I see you very soon, very soon. Bye bye, bye bye.